Hey, when a category is face, you bitches ain't in the race. Okay.
What's up, y'all? So today we are going to be doing Leray braids on my friend Jazlynn Westbrook. And yes, she has a YouTube channel. Go subscribe to her. We have about, I think, 2 videos together on her page. And she has like a lot of other content. She does like monkey videos and like story times and stuff like that. Like her videos are hilarious. But yes, so once again, we're doing the Leray braids, and I've already parted out everything. I'm just feeding in the braids. They're like basically knotless braids with like bigger parts and like a shorter length. So yeah, this really isn't a detailed video. If you want one, please comment and let me know, and I'll be happy to make that for you. I do these braids a lot. So yeah, it's just like another look and learn. And yeah, I'm just using Shine and Jam, the orange bottle, of course, and yeah, I'm just feeding into the hair. I do wrap them at the end, like I put the perm rods on them, and yeah. Now we finna get into the bundles that I be selling. I do sell raw and mink hair, so check that out.
Baby, of course, yes. Cause that blonde hair that you just did, whoever did that was snatched. Come on. And then this is your longest one. Is that the 30-inch? Come through.
Just to let y'all into our little kiki right here, I had dropped the fucking bundle on the floor. I think I dropped like hell of them on the floor, and I was trying to play it off, y'all, like, oh my god, it was so embarrassing. Mind you, we was on her live, okay, and we was like, oh shit, and like it kept happening, like shit just kept falling, and it just wasn't working. But people on the live, they couldn't even tell. So that's raw Indian as well.
This is the raw Indian, and that's the 30-inch compared to this is like 20.
Yeah, 20 and 22. I think it's around there. I'm sorry.
And show them how far down it goes to you. And she is.
I'm 5'1".
5'1", y'all.
This is a 30.
They said get the straight one. Still looking fire. Period. Yes. Right, y'all.
And then this is body wave.
And then that's the body.
This is mink body wave.
The mink hair, and y'all, it's soft.
And this one's 30 as well.
And then she comes with the frontals too. She has the frontals that match, so
sure do.
Don't think you just gonna get one and have different textures, y'all.
HG lace. They here too, but
she got the HG lace. Y'all, look at this hair.
And then this is water wave.
Yes, come on, water wave. And she got her stuff on her stuff, so it's not like y'all getting no pack hair.
And I come with the rubber bands, the yellow ones. The yellow ones.
I don't know
the
what
red.
that means.
It's the braided hair.
She got the yellow bands. Come on. Does she have ponytail extensions?
Like a drawstring. Is that what you're talking about?
Like a drawstring ponytail?
Yeah. 13x6, 13x4, and 5x5 closures. I don't do 4x4s.
Or T-parts. But if you bring one, she can probably whip it up.
Yeah, I'll do it for you. But
she don't provide that.
Yeah, because we like deep parts over here.
Right.
And this is curly. This is like an 18-inch curly. Hey. Goddamn. I'm with it. Hey. Goddamn. I'm with it. I'm with it. Goddamn. I'm with it. Yeah, money now you switched up on me. I used to think about right here. I'm just wiping off the product that she used for her baby hair before she came. And yeah, so for her baby hairs, I did use the She Is Bomb Edge Control. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. I did get it from a local beauty supply, but that's really my favorite. Like, their products are really amazing. And if you do see me cut her baby hair, please just know that she cut her baby hairs, and she asked me to fix them up, like, for the hairstyle too. So if I had to cut like a little piece, then that was okay. So just beware of that. And I'm not gonna lie, I actually do recommend cutting natural baby hair, because we all have adult hair. We are adults. We do not have baby hair no more. So yeah, if you do want to cut your baby hair, just go for it. I recommend you styling it and cutting it as you go, or see if your stylist will do it. Like, if they do frontals, then they can definitely cut your natural baby hairs. I want you to change positions. Now stroke it, baby. Stroke it for me. Stroke it for me. Baby, I know you stroke.
West Coast feel me. Say what? Dirty South. Here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Better East Coast feel me. West Coast feel me. Can you feel it? Dirty South. Dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Well, East Coast feel me. Say what? West Coast feel me. Dirty South. Dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got the East Coast feel me. West Coast feel me.
I've been watching you like a hawk in the sky. That's why you are my bread. Boy, I promise you, if we keep moving fast, I know that one of these days we gon' hook it up. While they talk on the phone, but see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this seat.
Hey, goddamn, I'm with it. Hey, goddamn, I'm with it. I'm with it. Goddamn, I'm with it.
Got money now, you done switched up on me. I used to think about how you been acting when a nigga got money now, you done switched up on me. Now you gon' say what's up to me. Okay, so now you gon' make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Tell me honest, girl, what you want from me. This ain't nothing new, keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, you better run from me. Give hold to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming. Young nigga, your friends bad too, then some come with you. And we like, bitch, you put their own shit, we don't like gold diggers. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me.
Else's success brings pain. You're no longer involved. That person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. I don't need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. I don't need you to say something, baby. I don't need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. I don't need you to say something, baby. I don't need you to say something, baby. This shit was
Once again, this is my friend Jazlynn. Please follow her social medias. They'll be in the description box. And yeah, like, she is just such a sweet person and so nice. Like, you guys, if you really met her, like, oh my gosh, you just wouldn't even understand. She is so nice and so pretty. Look it. And that's another install I did, so just get into it. Check it out.
Looking good and standing tall. Be like your God, like your pictures off your wall.